Hello everyone, this is Miss Chelsea, and today we'll be learning about gram and mole conversions. Let's go ahead and have a look at the Show What You Know questions. For our first example, we need to find the mass of 2.7 moles of NaCl. Sodium chloride is made up of 1 sodium and 1 chlorine. Sodium's molar mass is 22.99 and chlorine's is 35.45. That means the mass of sodium chloride is 22.99 plus 35.45, which is 58.44 grams per mole. Now that we've got molar mass, I'm going to show you a second way to set up your ratio. First of all, we're going to start by making a sideways ladder. We're going to have one number on top and one on bottom. Since anything divided by itself is 1, it cancels out. That means that since we have moles on top, we're going to need moles on bottom to cancel out. So we're going to use 1 mole on the bottom, and we're going to use the other part of the ratio, which is 58.44 grams, on top. Now that we have the unit we want, we can multiply across the top and divide by the bottom. 2.7 times 58.44 gives us a mass of 157.788 grams. Therefore, we have 158 grams of NaCl. One thing to keep in mind when using this method is that both the top and bottom have to be equivalent, so they have to be part of the same fact, in this case, the molar mass. Next, we are going to find the mass of 0.65 moles of H2O. We know that hydrogen has a mass of 1.01 and oxygen has a mass of 16. 2 hydrogens will have a mass of 2.02 and 1 oxygen will have a mass of 16.00. Therefore, the molar mass of water is 18.02 grams per mole. Now we're going to set up our equation. We have 0.65 moles of H2O and we are looking for grams of H2O. So we are going to put moles of H2O on bottom and grams on top. So 0.65 times 18.02 gives us a mass of 11.713 or 11.7 grams. For the next example, we will need to find the molar mass of calcium sulfate. Calcium sulfate has 1 calcium, 1 sulfur, and 4 oxygens. Calcium has a mass of 40.08. Sulfur has a mass of 32.06. Oxygen has a mass of 16.00. Now, 1 times 40.08 is 40.08, 1 times 32.06 is 32.06, and 4 times 16.00 is 64.00. If we add all 3 of these numbers up, we get a molar mass of 136.14 grams per mole for calcium sulfate. Now we need to convert 7.9 moles of calcium sulfate to however many grams of calcium sulfate. To do this, we set up our problem. We are going to cancel the moles by putting 1 mole on bottom, and the 136.14 grams goes on top. We then multiply 7.9 times 136.14 to get 1075.506 or 1076 grams of calcium sulfate. For our next problem, we will be converting 0.05 moles of potassium phosphate into grams. First of all, there are 3 potassium atoms, each with a mass of 39.10 for a total of 117.30. The 1 phosphorus is 30.97, and the 4 oxygen, each of which has a mass of 16, will make a total of 64. Add all of these up and you get a molar mass of 212.27 grams per mole for potassium phosphate. Now let's convert 0.05 moles of potassium phosphate to grams of potassium phosphate. First of all, we need to put 1 mole on bottom to cancel out the moles on top. Therefore, the 212.27 grams of potassium phosphate will go on top. We will multiply the top and divide the bottom to get our final answer. 10.6135 rounds to 11 grams of potassium phosphate. You may pause the video and check all of your answers to 1 through 5. Finally, let's convert 6.4 moles of magnesium bicarbonate into grams. 1 magnesium with a molar mass of 24.31 gives us a total of 24.31. 2 hydrogens, each with a mass of 1.01, gives us a total of 2.02. 2 carbons, each with a mass of 12.01, gives us a total of 24.02. And finally, 6 oxygens, each with a mass of 16, gives us a total of 96. Add all of these together and we get a total of 146.35 grams per mole for magnesium bicarbonate. Now we need to convert 6.4 moles of magnesium bicarbonate to grams of magnesium bicarbonate. So we're going to use our molar mass with the 1 mole on bottom to cancel out the mole that's already on top. And that means that our 146.35 grams will go on top. When we multiply 6.4 times 146.35, we get 936.64 or 937 grams of magnesium bicarbonate. We are about to find the number of moles in 100 grams of sodium chloride. First, we will find the mass of 1 atom of sodium, which is 22.99. Add this to the mass of 1 atom of chlorine, which is 35.45. This gives us a total of 58.44 grams per mole. And now we can set up our problem. 100 grams of NaCl is equal to blank moles of NaCl. To convert from grams to moles, we need to put the 58.44 grams on bottom so that they cancel with the previous set of grams. And then we're going to put 1 mole on top. Now let's take our 100 grams and divide by 58.44 since it's on bottom to get 1.7 moles. In number 2, we figured out that the molar mass of water is 18.02 grams per mole. So we can go ahead and set up our chart. 347 grams of water equals blank moles of water. And then we can use that molar mass to calculate the number of moles. So since grams are on top, we want 18.02 grams on bottom so that the grams cancel out, which means that the 1 mole will go on top. Divide 347 by 18.02 to get 19.3 moles of water. In problem 3, we found that the molar mass of calcium sulfate is 136.14 grams per mole. We can use this information to set up our problem. How many moles of calcium sulfate is equal to 0.45 grams of calcium sulfate? Since we have grams on top, we're going to put our grams on bottom, 136.14. And our 1 mole will go on top. We then divide 0.45 by 146.14 to get 0.0033 moles of calcium sulfate. In problem 4, we found that the molar mass of potassium phosphate is 212.27 grams per mole. We can use this information to find the moles of potassium phosphate in 6.48 grams. Since we have grams on top, we're going to need to put the grams on bottom and the 1 mole on top. We can then divide 6.48 by 212.27 to get 0.031 moles of potassium phosphate. In problem 5, we found that the molar mass of magnesium bicarbonate is 146.35 grams per mole. We can use this to find the number of moles of magnesium bicarbonate in 854 grams of magnesium bicarbonate. Since we have grams on top, when we set up our problem, we need to put grams on bottom and the mole on top. That means that we need to divide 854 by 146.35 to get 5.8 moles of magnesium bicarbonate. You may pause the video and check your answers to 6 through 10.